Oh, damn. Oh, this is awkward. Don't have the budget, so lightning strike. Bam! Another bam! Restricted! Kablam! Aftershock. Beep. 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 Oh my god! Beep. And there was a hurricane as well! Nice, bro. That makes the storyline so... Oh, what a lovely sketch. An anime girl. I can't read. Oh, come on, bro. Why do you have to look at me like that? And also, they explode. Oh, what nice foreshadowing. Oh, what a nice detail. Oh, what the hell? That's, suspicious. What the? Bam. Suspenseful lightning. Bam. Danger. Flash. Bam, bam. Flash. There's a lot of lightning. Enter the spooky basement. Bitch. Nuh-uh. Summer flash. Peace.
You seem upset, big brother N. Is this because you're not getting any bitches?
I know, right? I just get really bad when it comes to that stuff.
So, there is no way I can provide you any assistance, N.
You know I'm completely hopeless when it comes to the... Bam, bam. Skirt, skirt. Oh my god! Alright, just go away. And... whiskey. Lightning.
I love whiskey.
Sayonara, bitch.
Don't be suspicious, 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 don't be suspicious.
Your mom. Did I hear a bloody your mom joke? What were you raised by a cow? Let me stand off for it's not intimidating. Oh my god, I just couldn't understand what she was saying, Stacy. I'm horrified. Quick, act like a fencing out pedestrian. That's how you do it, baby girl. What sound effects? I'm seeing double. What are these sound effects? Ah! Can you put me down? Flash. When you're about to freaking die, speak aloud. Dark Sex Wolf 17. What the heck? And the flash.
You seem to have a problem with my autism-like structure. That's totally not ableist.
Come on, Tessa. We only came here for whiskey. We only have vodka and... So what if I cheated on you? Tessa, this divorce party will not be accompanied by artistic robot friends. I know, Mother. You. Which oh, the worst of them all. I will not forget when you stole my Fruit Loops. Oh, what a despair. It was me, but I threw the blame on her. Never mind your career. You, Missy, on the other hand, are double dog rounded. Huh? That's right. That means no PlayStation for a week. Can we do the Nintendo instead? Never mind.
You ugly ass.
Flash, flash.
I know your deepest, darkest secret.
No, not the one about Bakugo's mom. A relatively concerning secret, but, we didn't hear anything, and, we... Bitch, what the? Have your search history.
Oh, what the heck is that?
Plus Ultra. I just forgot how to use sound effects. How am I supposed to live, laugh, love in these conditions? Pigtails, help me out, baby girl. No. Useless child, we need to go back. Don't you care about Ed?
Irrelevant. He was useless.
Ugh, if only there was some sharp-toothed god that can help me break these goddamn chains. Surprise, bitch!
Jump scare. That's right, now I'm a freaking centipede.
Boo! No surprise I was gonna become an antagonist.
Now I'm gonna go break your ableist mom's bones.
Bro, what the?
Dad, get out of my room!
Sorry, he was asking if I wanted dip with my quesadilla. What the heck happened here? Ooh, I'd really hate to be you right now. Well, it's not my problem. Let's go. Go there! I don't want to go! We'll just move the baby girl. It'll be easy. I don't want you. Ew, what the heck is that? Oh, what a delightful party it would be. A divorce, so relevant. Stop quoting that stupid ableist woman. This is not relevant.
Let's go murder a child. Ooh, a diddly darn sword.
I got a Glock in my Rari.
Oh my god, I got a Glock in my Rari.
Psst, Tessa. Bro, what is he trying to be a bird? Tessa, I think you failed to have a Glock in your Rari.
I know where you live. Faggot. Bro, what the diddly darn dang is going on?
Why do you sound like a 13-year-old little girl? Loser. Sorry to interrupt your sleepover.
Bro, what the?
A toast to our divorce. It is a very sad divorce, but it is fine because we don't care.
Peekaboo. That's right, I crashed your party.
Who the heck are you? Everyone move aside. This child's gone feral and we're gonna kill her. Oh my god, she's got a Glock in her Rari. Did you take my credit card yesterday? Oh, what the?
I threw your parents. So funny. I know I'm so intimidating. Faggot. Bro, stop. I've always hated playing Roblox with you.